Hello everyone, welcome to Technova. It's been very long time that I have not done any videos on my channel. But I just want to tell you one thing that today I am presenting a short video on how the life have been changed. Like it's a very hard situation towards each and everyone that we know that how we are going to pass through all these things. But I just want to tell you that how the life got changed from the good to now. That is the big thing, right? We all know that COVID came, it's been a lockdown, we are staying in a home, that what all happened to us, what all we are struggling over that. But have you noticed that we are been taking some kind of precautions? We have took a lot of changes towards us. So just I want to tell you that all the things by my poster. I just made a small poster. I just want to explain you all the things which are there in that. And let us start with that poster.
Now, let me start with my poster. We have seen our world have changed a lot from last few months. Thousands of people lost their lives. Millions of people are sick. All these have broken the destruction of a virus called COVID-19. And the people who are surviving the outbreak of this virus, their standard of living has also changed completely. Due to this pandemic situation, government have banned each and everything. They tried to make people to remain in home just to control over this virus. Even the temples, churches, mosques were closed due to such worst situation, but still we all have ignored this situation and did not took the proper precautions, which have resulted in increase in the deaths. There is one thought, right? COVID. It's not a mystery, but it has created a history. But there are some advantages of this lockdown where people began to spend time with their families. They have learned new things like cooking, gardening, stitching, etc. Even people began to eat healthy food, prepare at home, and they maintain cleanliness by washing hands regularly, wearing masks to avoid spread of virus, and by maintaining social distance. The lockdown have made them to enjoy their hobbies. But due to lockdown, many people suffered a lot because of shortage of food and money. Some families were spending their life just by having food once in a day. A coin also has two faces. Like that, even this lockdown brought some great sort of changes and surprisingly some most exceedingly terrible changes in our day-to-day existence. Now let me tell you about the lifestyle of the people before and after the COVID-19. Just in a picture, we can observe what was the condition of the nature where we have destroyed the environment by cutting trees and exhausting more carbon dioxide and other harmful gases from the industries. Thus, even we have destroyed our nature for our selfishness. Thus, can you see in the picture with our own hands we are destroying the nature. Yet today, after the coronavirus, due to absence of accessibility of oxygen, we are developing trees. Do you all think whether it is the right time to grow trees? Now, and if we plant trees, now can we able to control the situation? Yes, we can, but not totally, because it is not the right time to plant the trees. If we would have not cut the trees earlier, then today all think whether it is the right time to grow trees now. Yeah, it is, but not I can say totally we can come up through this situation because when there was a time where we have to save our nature, that time we have cut all the trees and we have used it to make some decorative things for our house. So just you can imagine that before we used to carry the tons of woods, but today where you can see that tons of oxygen is exported and imported. So it's our prime duty to make people aware of planting the trees. So as I can say, more number of trees should be planted in our surrounding. Even when we walk about cleanliness and hygiene, before the COVID and lockdown, we have not even maintained cleanliness in the market or at our surrounding because we were not maintaining vegetables properly. They were all thrown on the roads. But we can see how the COVID changed our life today, where we in this picture you can see that how the vegetables are being maintained and hygiene of the fruits, vegetables in shop. And even it made drastic change in the e-commerce field, where today we order each and everything through digital mode. It has increased the business in e-commerce, where you can find in the graph how the drastic change have took. Basically, COVID have created awareness among the people about maintaining hygiene and clean environment. Basically, when you see the image of the Taj Mahal at the corner, and surprisingly the crowd of the individuals who have visited to appreciate the magnificence of the Taj Mahal. Yet tragically, after the coronavirus, we can see there is certainly not a single person to see the excellence of our country, which gives us message that if we don't maintain social distance and if we don't wear mask, then we may not able to enjoy the beauty of our country. So it's our prime duty to take the precautions and follow the instruction. Actually, till now I have told you about the changes of the things in our life before and after the COVID-19. But even in such dangerous situation, some of our superheroes were always working for us without worrying about their lives and their families. And just because of them, we have been safe in our home. I heartily thank and salute to our great Corona warriors who have struggled day and night just to keep us safe and secure. Just want to tell you one thought which we all need to keep in our mind, that is the greatest threat in our planet, in the belief that someone else will save us. So it's important to take care of yourself and be secure.
You all have seen that what all I have explained you, that each and every step I just explained you about what was the situation before and after. So it was like amazing, right? You came to know that how we have taken changes in our life. We have just took big decisions also by staying in home. We have learned about cleanliness. We have learned about maintaining the social distance and all. So I just want to thank you all for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.